Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today is the first lecture of HTML. So let's see what is HTML and its feature. So what is HTML? HTML, that is also known as Hypertext Markup Language, and it is a language used to create web pages. Using HTML, you can create a web page with text, graphics, sound, and videos. There is one more important part of HTML that is called tags. The essence of HTML programming is called tag. A tag is a keyword enclosed by angle bracket. For example, you can see here there is one text over there that is I. Before that I, one bracket is there, and after closing the I, there is one more bracket. So these brackets are called angle brackets. There are opening and the closing tag for many but not all the tags. The affected text is between the two tags. There are some more points related to tags. The opening and the closing tag use the same command, except the closing tag contain the additional forward slash. For example, you can see on this expression, I have already mentioned one context over there, or you can also say the text over there. So that is hello. Before that hello, one tag is mentioned, that is h1. So that is the opening tag. And after the hello content, I used one more tag, that is the closing tag. So how can you say that is the closing tag? You can mention or you can remember that we have to mention the forward slash in the closing tag. So whenever there is a forward slash, you have to say that is the closing tag. So here, every tag, not every tag, but most of the tag has its closing tag. So this is the way how we can write the closing tag. So let's see what is the another part of the tags, that is the nested tag. Whenever you have HTML tag within the another HTML tag, you must close the nearest tag first. That means you can see on screen there is one more example over there. So there is a content which is the nation, and before that content we have mentioned the two tags. First one is the h1 and the second one within that is the I. So one tag within the another tag, that means nested tag. So what tag we have to close the first? The nearest one. Which one is the nearest? I. So we have to close the I tag first, and then only we'll be able to close the h1 tag. So this is the format of the nested tag. So these are the parts of the tag. Now we will see what is the structure of HTML document. An HTML document is mainly divided into two pairs. First is the head and the second one is the body. What is head? This contains the information about the HTML documents. For example, the title of the pages, version of the HTML, metadata, and etc. The second one is the body. So what is body? This contains everything you want to display on the web pages. So let's see some examples. Here the structure of the web page. On the right side, you can notice there is one format over there for the HTML. I'm starting my format with the HTML so that the web page will be written in the HTML code. After that, I have mentioned the head part. Within this head part, you have to mention the title so that you will be able to understand what kind of web pages you are creating. What is the heading of it? So this is the part of the head. Now we are having the body tag. In this body tag, you have to mention all the content, or you can say all the information related to that web pages, or all the information you want to display on your web page. So that all part will be written in this body tag. So after closing the body tag, you have to close the HTML tag. So you can see this whole format is written in the nested tag part. So this is the structure of the web page. So this is the basic of the HTML web pages. So tomorrow we will study about the more features related to HTML. Thank you so much.